If you are wondering for how long will Redmi A7 Pro be supported, then the answer is quite simple. Apparently Xiaomi provides 4 years of major Android upgrades, which means that in theory we should end up with Android 20 on Redmi A7 Pro. Since we are starting with Android 16, so of course Android 17, 18, 19 and 20 are apparently guaranteed. Of course, when it is going to actually end, it's unknown. So just in theory, if we just consider the theory alone, we should have the support till 2030. Just if we just talk about Android upgrades. But for the security updates, then the phone is going to be supported for 6 years. So the security end of support is going to be in 2032. Leave a like and subscribe.